Are foreign companies better investments than US-based companies? There are a growing number of foreign companies getting listed on US exchanges, enabling Americans to buy these companies. But do they make better investments than their US counterparts? In this video, we're going to answer that question. We're going to look at all 11 sectors of the economy. These are basic materials, communication services, consumer cyclical, consumer defensive, energy, financial, healthcare, industrial, real estate, technology, and utilities. We'll compare the largest foreign listed company against the largest US counterpart in each sector. We'll look at their 5-year stock performance, or as close as time frame if the company has been listed later than that period. Let's first look at basic materials sector. Lind is based in the UK and has performed 105% over the past 5 years. Sherwin-Williams is the US company which has performed 90% over the same period. For the basic materials sector at least, the foreign company has done better. Next, let's look at the communication services sector. The largest foreign company is NetEase from China with a gain of 52%. Alphabet is a US company which has risen 117%. For communication services, the US-based company has done better. Then there's the consumer cyclical sector. The largest foreign company is Alibaba from China with a return of negative 51%. Compare that with its US counterpart Amazon, which is up 157%. Comparing the two, again the US comes out on top. After that, we've got the consumer defensive sector. Our largest foreign company is Unilever from the UK with a performance of negative 21%. Compare that to Walmart, our largest in the sector, which is up 66% during that same period. Another win for the US company. Moving to the energy sector. The largest foreign company is Shell from the UK with a performance of negative 11%. Compare that with Exxon from the US, it's up 16%. Yet another dominating US win. Next is the financial sector. The largest foreign competitor is the Royal Bank of Canada with a return of 25%. The largest US financial company is Berkshire Hathaway with a return of 52%. That's a score of 5-1 for the US. We then have the healthcare sector. The largest foreign company is Novartis from Switzerland with a return of 6.52%. Our US company is United Health with a return of 169%. 6-1 for US-based companies. Next is the industrial sector. The largest foreign company is Canadian Pacific Railroad from Canada with a return of 118%. Our US company is United Parcel Service with a return of 51%. A rare win for the foreign company. We'll then look at the real estate sector. The largest foreign company is KE Holdings from China with a return of negative 45%. Our US company is American Tower Corporation with a return of 78%. A win for the US-based company. Next is the technology sector. The largest foreign company is Taiwan Semiconductor from Taiwan with a return of 105%. Our US company is Apple with a performance of 302%. Yet another win for the US company. And finally is the utility sector. The largest foreign company is National Grid in the UK with a return of negative 7%. Our US company is NextEra Energy with a return of 134%, a win for the US-based company. So, of the 11 sectors, US-based companies have outperformed foreign companies 9-2 over a 5-year period. What does this add up to if you bought an equal amount of stocks in each sector? What would the average between the US and the foreign companies be? If you diversify into these 11 sectors solely on US versus foreign companies, you'd come out on top going with the US. The returns would be 112% for the US and 25% for the foreign companies over this period, a clear win for US-based companies. What does the future hold? We'll see. A lot of things can change from here on out. So what are your thoughts? Do you invest in any foreign companies? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.